Oh, okay, good. All right, Grand Depart, Grusk 2022, 220 miles to go. Early morning fishermen on Lake Buffalo as the fog is rising off the lake. Pretty neat section through here with all the pine trees on each side. I guess some replanted forest. Quite the foggy view from here, up in the clouds. And there's the sun poking through the fog. And we're getting a little bit of a break, going onto a paved road. We're just turned into Pocahontas County. We were in Pendleton County. West Virginia Route 28, south. Paved road is a good time to eat a snack because it's not too bumpy and easy to get to your snacks. The mountain laurel are in full bloom up here. Quite neat. I guess they use the same signs everywhere, even when you're in the middle of nowhere. A pretty bumpy road right now. I'd say more suitable for a mountain bike than a gravel bike. Both Jess and I are getting like some weird hand cramps and stuff here. Okay, back into the pocket the GoPro goes. Hey Jess, what do you think about all this cattle? Got it. Find the water spigot. So we're not allowed to take any video once we get in here, but we do get to go through the Green Bank Observatory and see some neat telescopes and stuff. But like I said, once we get through these gates, we're not allowed to take any video or photo. Yep, definitely still on course. Some single track thrown in here. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Well, I don't know what we might, what a wheel might catch under this grass here. Could be a big boulder, could be a branch or a log. Oh well, just go real slow, I guess. More mountain laurel. And I got something in my trailer. I guess I gotta stop for that.
Alright, so yes, this event is listed as a gravel event, which typically means riding gravel roads. But we have also had our fair share of this type of terrain during the ride.
Suspension bridge here. Just wide enough for the handlebars. Perfect.
There's Joël on the bridge behind me. Whee!
Not sure if these are still in use, but some train tracks through the woods. A ferry and a church.
Hey, everybody's on camera. Water stop, a little picnic party here at the church pavilion. Filling water, eating snacks, taking a break, and then off we go. Miles, I don't know, 82.5, 84-ish. Note to myself. Use Carbo Pro. Oh, adding some drink mix to my water bottles here. Yeah, it looks like a big bag of cocaine. That would make me go really fast, I bet. But it's Carbo Pro. Don't be thinking anything inappropriate.
Alright, stuff like this never looks really impressive on camera, but wow is all I'm gonna say to this one. That's pretty darn impressive. Alright, that was a bummer we couldn't take you along for that ride. We just went downhill for 6 miles. There were sections where we were hitting just about 40 miles an hour. We passed a motorcycle going downhill. That was pretty fun. And now, well, we gotta go back uphill. Alright, a little bit more downhill here. Not as exciting as earlier, but hey, it's still downhill. Whoa, pothole. Alright, here we go. Just with the time and distance check for everyone.
Okay, we are now officially halfway, 110 miles. We are about 9 hours and 15 minutes in. Been riding for over 30 years. Oh, I don't know. Let me think about this for a second. Look, here's some nice people, some residents who just put up a little aid station for people. Let's see what's here. Water, Red Bulls. Whoa, Red Bulls and coffees. And wow, snacks galore! Woo!
No, we don't only eat honey stinger stuff. Eating a full sleeve of Oreo cookies is perfectly acceptable. Got a nice young snake of some sort here. Not sure what it is. Might be a milk snake, but could also be a rattlesnake. A young one. We'll just let it be. First big stop for the day to kind of top off our snacks and stuff. Dollar General. We're just gonna sit on the curb here for a minute with our bags of stuff and fill up bottles and fill up tummies.
Isn't this what everyone does for fun on their weekends? Camp out at the Dollar General, snacking and filling bottles.
Parsons City Cemetery. Oh, that's my grandma said it. That was good. Notice, bridge unsafe. Travel at your own risk. Town will not be responsible for accidents. Okay, well, that's where the race course goes. Whee! Okay, it's quite wobbly. Woo. Oh, that was your bag. Woo. Oh, wow. Copeton Colored School, a segregated school. Okay. No, that was the way we're going. We're going up that way. No. We actually go up. Okay, and then we're just walking with our bikes. Little creek crossing with big bouldery rocks. Better to just walk. Well, we're still on the really bumpy stuff. We're going very, very slow. But we're going forward. Guess that's all that matters. There's like big puddles and really rocky, bumpy stuff. Oh, like that. And I don't know why I'm riding with one hand. It's really smart. Jess is laughing at me.
I am.
Wow! Quite the waterfall. Alright, let's see. Lights are officially on. It is dark out. It is 8:51. I have no idea how many miles we have, but maybe Jess can help us.
We have 163 miles.
Okay. Here we are, just standing on the side of the road in the middle of the night, trying to clean glasses so that we can see through them. Kind of important. Seeing is important. Oh, feel the eyeballs staring at us. Is on.
Heard about Mothman and Sasquatch. Yeah, I've yet to see Mothman, thank goodness, but you're the Sasquatch. Not really sure what this big guy is. We're on the search for the elusive hellbender. I don't think that's it, but one never knows.
Well, there's Joël looking for the water. Here's me just sitting here waiting for him, being attacked and surrounded by insects. That's what happens.
All right, there we are. The namesake of the race, Spruce Knob, the highest point in West Virginia. I think it's about 47 or maybe 4,800 feet. Doesn't say on the sign, I don't know why. It's 3:15 or so we get a beautiful view, you know. There you go, that's the view. Well, you know, for good measure, just had the downpour just at the very end. Alright, here's the finish line. We made it back. Yippee-yay! No, we can get out.